Hare Krishna. So before one actually sits on the Vyasasana for giving a Sunday feast class or a Namahata class or a, let's say, Śrīmad-Bhāgavatam class in a temple, before you actually sit in the class and from the time you start preparing, so from the approaching the subject matter of your class and till you sit, there are 10 checkpoints. There are 10 things you need to do so that you will be confident and you can give classes on any subject matter. If you follow this 10-step formula, I promise you, you will be in a position to speak on any subject matter of Śrīmad-Bhāgavatam. But what are those 10 points? For that, you will have to join the Bhagavata Teachers Training Program and we will guide you. There are 10 checkpoints for giving a class, and that's saying there are 10 checkpoints for giving seminar, there are 10 checkpoints for giving Sunday feast class. So we are going to give you these 10 methods for speaking Śrīmad-Bhāgavatam. Okay, Hare Krishna.